we are here, QS.
Yeah.
We have seen you've done the slab. You already casted the slab.
Yeah.
Tell us how you went about it. You can see the conduits.
Yeah. The electrical works.
Okay, now take us through.
From the previous video, we had shown how the slab looks before casting.
Okay.
So we have already shown the lower side. Now this is the upper side. We have already done the concrete top.
It is strong enough.
Yeah, 50 to 70 millimeter of casting. We have done it, and now all the electrical works were done. The plumbing works, you can see from here. Even the plumbing works have already been done. So everything now is ready for now doing the casting. We have done this is the formwork for the columns.
Okay.
These are the columns that are holding. We are having another terrace slab above. It's a flat roof.
Okay.
So that's why we have all these columns. If we would have been doing mabati, we would have not have all these columns.
Okay.
But now it's because we are carrying another weight above, and now we are just remaining with casting. Then we remove the formwork. We do the precast.
The precast, and you do the beams again. We replicate what you've done down.
Yeah, we replicate.
Up.
Yes, everything
Okay.
up. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is this thing as stable as the traditional slab?
This is as stable as the traditional slab. We had shown you the beams, how they are, and they carry a very heavy weights, even a lorry. So this slab is even much better than the normal, the other one, depending on how it was designed. If now, not depending on different, this one is designed everywhere. It is done like this all over the country, all over the world. For the slabs done by the other engineers, you know, it all depends with if how somebody who was not involved and engineer, they can say they are using D8s and D10s. So you can be depending on the design and the spans. You know, usually check even the spans and how big they are in terms of where the beams are and the columns. You can find some slabs are not well designed, depending on who is using, the engineer who is not using. But this is well designed all over the country.
Now,
yeah,
I know there is one question that everybody is asking themselves.
Yeah.
Tell us the cost-saving aspect of doing a beam and block and the traditional slab.
Okay, we had said a beam and block, you don't have formwork. Right down there, you have not seen formwork.
No.
Just the formwork that we are using for the columns and the beams only. So for a normal slab, you'll be buying posts. You can cut even a whole forest so that you can have posts all over the house. People know a web of posts. And we have the trappers. We usually buy trappers. We hire trappers, or you use marine boats. All those are costs that you don't have in this project. Another thing is the cost of steel right now is very high. Yeah. So having the whole slab with steel works, a web of bottom and top, that's a lot of steel work. Then you come and do the concrete on top. So all that a 150 millimeter concrete, that's a lot of price. Working with the beam and block, you're just buying the beams and the blocks. Then you are doing 50 to 70 millimeter. So that calls for very big savings. For such a project, we have saved close to 100 to 150,000 using this beam and block technology, and that's money that I'll be able now to do the windows and the doors. So it's something that people need to accept now. The new technology, these technologies are here to make things affordable. Just like how AI is coming to replace the traditional way of doing things. So we are saying we cannot bring in a technology that is much more expensive than the traditional. We usually say a new thing makes works easier. So here, this new technology will make costs even better for you. And the time of doing it, because I know this is just sliding in. If it was a normal slab, we have carpenters doing the formworks, then you have the steel fixers come to fix the steel. And you have to wait for 21 days. I can even start doing the plaster works right now. That's what I've seen. Yeah, the other one, this one was done yesterday. Okay. Just a day. We have not yesterday, the day before, because this formwork has been done for just 2 days. Okay. Yesterday and today. So it is a 2-day concrete. The other one will have to wait for 21 days so that you can be able to remove the shutters and all those webs of posts. Okay. Yeah. So we are very happy for the information that you've given us. Yeah. We hope most of our clients, their questions have been answered. One who is thinking of doing a maisonette, he has gotten an option B. Maybe he thought it was only option A. Traditional way. We have given you an option B, which is cost saving, which is time saving. Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us. Continue subscribing and sharing at Build with Fidelis YouTube, at TikTok QS Fidelis Maiba, at Facebook and Instagram Battered Constructions Limited. Thank you.
Thank you.